a snack bar video of how to do the barbecue. So when you come to the snack bar, you'll see there's two barbecues. They both work. I suggest you use this one right here. So step one is to get the barbecue. Step two is to find a propane tank. It should be pretty heavy, it should be pretty full. If there's not a propane tank in the snack bar, they are at the south area of the snack bar outside. You can show the little propane tank cage over there. There is a key for the propane tank cage, which is over here. Inside this cupboard is the gas key, so if you don't have the propane tank and it's locked, look in here for the key. The next step is to take the barbecue outside, and I'll show you that in the next video, but do not hook up the propane until you're outside. You also want to get the cooler, which is down there, and fill the cooler full of ice, which is in here. And in the cooler, you want to put the hamburgers and hot dogs and the cheese, which are already frozen. And you also want to make sure you get a knife, tongs, gloves, and also a lighter, which the lighter will be near the barbecue. Also a thermometer for the hamburgers to make sure they're cooked thoroughly. And that's all you need for step one.